So this is the first stop, the first leg of the Optima 4x4 drive out to Vegas. So we got this whole lineup of cars. We got a pretty rad collection of cars. And even our boy Vaughn and Lindsay got their RTR truck here. We got Matey. Matey's ready to go. Probably the only Nissan out here. It's usually how we roll. But yeah, we're feeling good. We got our Starlink, we got our bags. We're ready to start this day off. So let's get a little offy roady with it, huh? That approach.
Well, how else are you gonna stick it on there?
Is it a magnet or is it a sticker?
It's a sticker. Is that the right place? Okay.
Perfectly good space.
Okay, other side.
Lock it down.
It's bumpy. Lots of bumps.
No, this is cool. It's like a nice, you know, chill pace. We got Vaughn right in front of us in Lindsay's truck, and yeah, it's like. It's cool, it's a little like teeter-tottery, you know, so getting some articulation out of it. But yeah, nothing the old Titan can't handle.
First impression, you're open. Look at you, you're opening all kinds of stuff back here.
I got this hat, this other hat,
air freshener, some stickers, weenie.
I mean, I cannot believe this truck's doing it. I'm telling you, he's really putting it down for the SEMA truck gang.
That's it. Perfect. Let her come on board. Hard.
It's quite impressive.
Yeah, now.
Holy sh**. Fast. Where's the fan?
Shit. I'm just been surfing back there, guys. Yeah.
Is the fan here? I was like, there's no way.
Yeah, we were gonna bring. Yeah, this was gonna be just a flat dirt road.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
When they
This
were
is
like, we're just driving a dirt road to Giant Rock, I was like, dude, Tanner can totally do that.
Yeah,
Like, I know that.
yeah, they're
road.
like
It's
RVs
totally
do
cool.
it. I was like, yeah, let's do this. Yeah.
I'm slightly nervous about the Unimog on that left. Up there, bless you.
Bless you.
Up on that left there.
Dude.
Like, Cam might get up into his A-pillar there.
Oh yeah.
He can't really stay right, so.
yeah.
Alright. Let's do it.
The vans have this no issue.
You ready, matey?
Yeah. I don't know why we
Do it.
Yeah.
Dude. MOBBIN, dude. Doing splits or up and overs?
No, I think go over it.
Over it, brother.
Splitting.
Far from splitting. There it is. mobbed it, dude.
Yeah, no, I didn't even blink an eye.
Well, no, it was about fitting. They thought the roof was gonna hit. Cause see that big rock sticking down? You know, cause it like leans. And it's 10 feet tall, so it just gets up. So we had to go like extra.
What's that little beep noise?
On the right, you'll see a wild Lindsay in its natural habitat.
Bush, a little bit more bushy. Vote for bushy.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, now we're ripping. We got our wagons. We got our stuff. We are at the auto camp. Yeah. Right? Looking good. What do you think, Liz?
I'm not getting bounced around anymore. And I would pee.
And we found restrooms. Yeah, but check this out. It's a little Airstream park. Yeah. But that was like the one thing that I thought. I was like, if there's one place that Liz wants to go camping, it's in an Airstream park. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. It's I don't think I've ever stayed in an Airstream. This is the first for me.
Airstream or staying on one of these?
I don't know. I'm hoping it's an Airstream. We're gonna find out. It's the luck of the draw. Yeah.
Okay, here's 101. We're going to 112.
So.
They had a map.
Yeah, they did have. We're in this row. We're in this row. We're cruising. 104, 106. I think we're streaming. That's cool. I've never stayed in an Airstream, and I've certainly never used a wagon to take my luggage anywhere. How about you, Liz?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
This is a first?
First.
A Liz first?
Liz first.
It's a very rare.
Forsberg first.
Yeah, and a Forsberg first. It's a rare opportunity for me to experience something new with you. You've done everything.
What? You've done everything. Okay, 111.
111.
113.
110.
110.
Looks like we're there. There we go.
Ooh, and
Look at that.
The moon.
Look at the moon.
Cheshire cat smile.
That is cool. All right. I think this is us. We'll find out.
Okay, do MTV crib.
All right, MTV crib action. Look at this thing.
All right, baby.
Let's see. All right.
Here.
Take us in. Oh, that's us.
That's us.
This is
Oh,
this is cool.
dang. Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah,
We got some lights. There we go. Oh, that push button. That's sick. Whoop. Careful.
Dang, this is awesome.
Dude.
Look at how cute.
I love it. This is definitely a first.
Yeah.
Like you said, this is my style camping. Yeah.
Yeah, my style camping. I'm not actually camping. That's my style.
All right, well, we gotta go. We're late for dinner. Well, we're not late yet. It's gotta leave in 5 minutes.
5 and do toast.
Let's do it. I am adjusting the shocks trying to make it a little more pleasant ride. No, they're just a little stiffer than I would like. Under your wing. Uh-oh, they're leaving. Gotta go.
Yes, the banana. Jill, you should go look inside. There's no, like,
MTV Cribs.
yeah, not my crib. But look, they have someone like Nora Make America Great Again. Beso, more, beso, so kiss, kiss.
Just pull the trunk up.
I will stay and never go away. Another time we could have been like strangers, turning as we passed along the street. In another place where none of this would matter. Days have passed and wishes have been lost.
It's enjoyable, you know.
I like it. I think it's cool.
It's just fun being out here with nature.
I like, yeah, just being very
Looking for
off
bushes to
grid,
be on.
very
Yeah.
far away from things.
Yeah.
Minus the Starlink.
Yeah. Yeah.
Off grid, but on at the same
Yeah.
time.
I haven't connected yet. I'm holding off.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
nice. Yeah, we're just communicating with our boys earlier.
Yeah. It's nice to have though.
Yeah. Oh my God. We put it on the race truck for the Nora race.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it was like life changing.
Yeah.
We like talk just seamlessly.
Yeah, we have it and live stream and all that.
Yeah, I want to get the Go Stream.
Yeah,
That's
it's good.
freaking cool. So they have this system. It's called Go Stream.
It's crazy.
Right? Or
Yeah.
Stream Pro? Stream Pro, something like that?
Stream Pro.
Yeah. So it's like a little box mounted to the car, wires up to 2 GoPros. You can put them wherever you want, and it live streams via the Starlink. You gotta get it for the next race. Yeah. Yeah. It's like $3 grand though. That's the issue. Yes, we are recording. We're recording. We're ripping. We are. Oh, he's got a lot of gas. Where's he going?
To help
But-
people who need gas.
Now I know. I can't even imagine how many people run out of gas. Do you know how long it would take if you ran out of gas, even 3 miles away from a gas station?
Oh, to get to it?
It would take you 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours to walk there and walk back. That would take forever.
Yeah.
You know, it's like it's right there.
Yeah, so, yeah, and it's
And it would just be forever. But we're not running out of gas. We're good. We are wrapping up the end of this rally. One last little lunch hangout here at the Mojave little reserve,
visitor center.
little visitor center. Thank you.
California Visitor Center.
Yeah, the California Visitor Center in the Mojave. Jeez, I can't even talk. I'm so tired. Mojave National Preserve. So it's been a really awesome rally. Thank you, Optima, for having us out. Peterson kicking in too, just cruising with our friends. You know, Tanner, Vaughn, Lindsay, the Brenthal brothers, Casey Curry, a bunch of people out here. So just a super rad time, but we're off to Vegas. So this concludes our ride. The party begins.
Styling and profiling.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cars are loud.
When Chris called me for this gig, he said, hey man, be nice and easy, no tandem. Here we are in the middle of the night, tandeming.
Everyone's great. You're great.
You're great.
I went for a ride with Chris Forsberg. He was drifting before I knew what a drift car was. So for me to be able to go in the car and call him a friend is like the coolest thing in the world.